Hello and welcome to this guided meditation on who I am. In this session, we will explore the concept of self-identity and reflect on who we truly are. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more guided meditations and mindfulness practices. Before we begin, find a quiet and comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. You can either sit on a chair with your feet on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Repeat this several times until you feel calm and centered. Bring your attention to your body as you continue to breathe deeply. Feel your feet, legs, hips, chest, arms, and head. Any areas of tension or discomfort should be noted and allowed to relax as you exhale. Now turn your focus to your ideas. Recognize the stream of ideas that are running through your head. Don't try to control or criticize them. Simply observe them as if they were clouds moving over the sky. As you are observing your thoughts, ask yourself, who am I? What thoughts come to mind? Are you defined by your career, your relationships, your interests, your beliefs, and your personality? Take note of any labels or identities that emerge and let them go. Now, go deeper. Ask yourself, who am I, really? What is your essence, your true nature, beyond the roles and labels that society imposes on you? Take a few moments to listen to your inner voice, to feel the beating of your heart, to sense the presence of your soul. As you connect with your true self, repeat this affirmation silently or out loud. I am whole. I am whole. I am complete. I am complete. I am enough. I am enough. Feel the truth of these words in your body and your mind. Now visualize yourself in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes to appreciate your own beauty and individuality. Pay attention to your abilities, gifts, talents, and hobbies. Accept all aspects of oneself, including flaws and shortcomings. As you look in the mirror, repeat to yourself, I love and accept myself exactly as I am. Feel the love and generosity in your heart, spreading outwards to the world. Inhale deeply and slowly exhale. When you're through, open your eyes and return to the current moment. If you found this meditation useful, please consider subscribing to this channel for more guided meditations and mindfulness activities. You may also leave a comment below to share your experience or recommend a specific topic for a future video. Keep in mind that you are more than your career, relationships, interests, opinions, and personality. You are a one-of-a-kind manifestation of the cosmos, with boundless potential and worth. When you're feeling lost, confused, or overwhelmed, utilize this meditation to reconnect with your actual self. You already have everything you need to live the life you desire and be the person you want to be. Thank you for practicing this meditation with me. Have a peaceful and fulfilling day.